This Good to Go segment is made possible by Spectrum Health Medical Group.
It's a great way to kick off your running season while raising awareness for colorectal cancer and screenings. The Irish Jig 5K is on Saturday, March 16th, starting at East Grand Rapids High School. Dr. Rebecca Hoedema, colorectal surgeon with Spectrum Health, and Kelsey Haynes, Irish Jig race director, are here to talk about the event and the awareness it brings to colorectal cancer. Good morning and welcome to both of you.
Good morning.
Feels like just a minute ago we talked about this the last time it comes around, but it is so important. March is an important awareness month regarding colorectal cancer.
That is true. Colorectal cancer happens to be the second most common cancer in men and women, so awareness is very important and screening is definitely important. So March definitely brings that to awareness for the community.
Screening, we know, saves lives, right?
It does. So approximately 85% of colorectal cancers arise from polyps. So screening tests are currently recommended at age 50. So if you get your screening test, see a polyp and remove it, definitely your cancer risk decreases.
Let's talk about symptoms. Do we know when trouble is setting in?
Yes, unfortunately, for the majority of patients, colorectal cancer in the early stages are asymptomatic. But if symptoms do arise, oftentimes they include a change in bowel habit, rectal bleeding, nausea, vomiting, abdominal fullness, pain, or weakness, fatigue. So if you have any of these symptoms, it's very important to talk with your primary care doctor.
Let's go back to the screening part of it because it is so important, but it is also terrifying, right?
Yes.
People, it's got a bad reputation.
Yes, it does. Unfortunately, a lot of those patients that should be screened don't because they don't want to do the prep. They're, it's a private, personal area. But I do think that for most patients that come in after the procedure, they don't think it's a big deal, and then they are welcoming to do it again to decrease that risk of colorectal cancer.
Is there an age at which that should happen?
So currently the guidelines are age 50, and there has been a decrease in colorectal cancer in the last several decades. A recent study in 2015, however, did show that colorectal cancer is rising in the younger population. So that guideline of age 50 may decrease with time.
Advice for those who are diagnosed and perhaps being treated?
So I think the key is a healthy lifestyle, both physically and dietary. Definitely have both emotional support too. Spectrum Health does offer a lot of survivorship plans after your treatment and after you're out of the woods. But there's a lot of opportunity for mental, physical health, and financial assistance too in some cases.
Very nice.
Yes.
All right, let's talk about that Irish Jig 5K. You guys have been at this for a long time.
Yes, this is our 36th year, so we're really excited. Always fun, new things. We're listening to the running community. We were labeled the #1 race in West Michigan this year, so super excited about that.
Because you have a lot of competition in that regard.
We do. There's a lot of 5Ks out there, so the runners are enjoying it. We've got the costume contest again this year. This year's shirts are new, so we're going to have a female and a male cut, long sleeve shirts, the royal blue color, so we're really excited this year. We've expanded our health booths again this year, so we have a little over 20 health booths. So if you want free massages, talk to our sports therapy program, get your ankle taped, or test your surgical skills. So we'll have the robot there so they can practice their doctor skills if they'd like as well.
Well, there's a lot of fun surrounding it. The messaging is still quite serious, as we have just heard, right?
Yes, being that colorectal cancer is the second leading cause of death, we definitely want to bring awareness to the disease itself and encourage people to get kits. So we provide free colorectal kits at the Jig as well.
Very nice. All right, well, we want to remind you that the Irish Jig 5K is Saturday, March 16th. It starts at East Grand Rapids High School, 8:30 a.m. You can register online. We have put a link to the website on our site. Go to 13onyourside.com. You can do it there. It's good to have you both here. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
And thanks to all of you for watching. We hope you have a great afternoon. We'll see you back here tomorrow for more My West Michigan.